another exquisite planning video here on my channel, Exquisite Glow. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys this planner companion accessories kit by The Happy Planner. I am so excited that they did these kits because it lets everybody try out a little bit of every category they have for that specific thing. Like they have a fitness one, they have a budget, they have a wellness, and this one here is a digital detox, which I think we all need sometimes. That comes from a person who's filming a video who's about to put it on social media so that you guys can watch it, but we all do need those moments where we get offline and just, you know, get in one with nature, or just like, you know, really take a look at what you have around you and appreciate it, instead of being so concerned of what's online all the time. And I am guilty of that, and I need to, you know, try to make myself better, and this might be a little guide, so let's check it out. This one again is the Digital Detox. So this packet has 140 pieces. It comes with the bracelet like all the companion kits do, and then on the back it shows you a little bit of what's inside, or not, it shows you everything that's inside. But let's go ahead and pop this one open. I am filming individual videos for these companion kits because I want to be very detailed as to what's inside and show you close-ups. So that's why I'm doing this separately, so that, you know, it doesn't take up an hour or more than that to do everything. So yeah, each one individually. So if there's a specific one you're interested in, you can just click on that video, watch that one, and decide if you want to pick it up or not. So first thing we're popping into is the bracelet. This one is super cute because it has different colored strands. Usually the others have a solid strand of a specific color. It has a little charm, which is a disc ring. You can see that. And then on the back it says shine bright. So to pop it on, you just pull on it and it opens up wide, and then you take the two strands to tighten up, you pull, and it makes it small, so you can adjust it to your wrist. It does have a little bit of a wax coating, and that's just to keep the yarn strong and hold up on your hand. But for sure it will get a little softer as time goes by and you wear it. This one here, let's see, so it says wear this bracelet as a reminder to focus on your relationships with yourself and those important to you. So yeah, that digital detox again, reminding us to see who you have around you and really appreciate them and focus on that relationship. So by wearing that, it gives you that little reminder. That's what these are for. So let's go ahead and get in here. I'm gonna pull this to the side so I can reference it. So if you look at the folder, it does have some gold foiling to it. Really, really pretty. It says more music, more tea, more books, more laughter, more smiles, more walks, more road trips, more love, more creating, more dreaming. And I love the clouds. They look so pretty. Sometimes in my backyard, when the sun sets a certain way, sometimes we get these colors in our sky over here. And it looks gorgeous. All right, so let's go ahead and go in here. You have a vertical pocket and a horizontal pocket. So the first thing here says there is a cardstock doodle paper. So cardstock doodle paper. It's cardstock meaning a little, not as a flimsy paper. So here is the first one. It's on dot grid. It says even more doodles, and it has a wish list and a little plant. It says draw a pretty flower. Okay, my camera is heating up. Then the back of it has a light bulb with a heart. Funniest thing I've heard. Also on dot grid, what the best day ever looks like. So you can draw that in that box there. And then we have this one. It says doodles, love this song. And then it says my favorite person. You can draw them. Maybe just put a picture of them. And then my greatest accomplishments. You can write them in the ribbons, the medals, and then your mood. So that is a cardstock doodle paper. You get 2 of them, but in reality it's 4 because it's back and front. That's how I see it. The next thing that comes in here looks like, okay, so this one's just regular white paper for drawing. It says blank journaling paper. You get 10 of these. So that's nice. They have the nice little pink there on the side and gray and peach. Then you have a reading list. This is really cool. More books to read. So this is what it looks like, reading list. So it's like a drawing of books, and you can write titles of the books as you finish them. And maybe you can like shoot for reading, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 books in a year. That's pretty cool. More books to read. You can put a list of more books that you want to read. That is on your to be read list. You only get 2 of these though, but no worries. You know what you can do? Make photocopies of them. Just make photocopies of them and keep a hard copy and just pop those into your planner by punching them. So that's something that you can do before you doodle on one of these. Like if there's a paper you really like, you can always make more copies and keep them in a folder for yourself. So that's definitely what I'm going to do with this, because I actually have a bookshelf that I drew, but it has way too many books for 1 year. 20 I think is a more doable number of books if you're really reading like 1 or 2 a month. Well, 2 a month really. You can get to that 20 real quick. So we'll make copies of that for myself. Then we have this. It says Digital Detox Bucket List. So this is the unplugged bucket list. So read a book, plant flowers, and I'm just going to go ahead and go super slow. You can check it out yourself. You're welcome to pause the video if you need to read. All right, so that's that. And then on the back, it's blank, so you can write in your own digital detox list. And then you have a second one. So there's 2 of those. Then the next paper in here is this one. This is the prompted journaling paper. There is 10 pages of this. It says unplug this week, and there's a date section. You've totally got this. Write out some achievable goals you can accomplish in a week and specific actions to make them happen. So this is more of a vertical type. There is a half sheet that has this kind of same idea in a horizontal way. Check in with yourself and celebrate your victories this week. Give yourself grace for some goals that were not met, and adjust them for next week. So that's the front, and then on the back, this is what it looks like. I'll go slow for you to read, and you're welcome to pause at any moment so you can really read it all. Add your tips and notes here, and it says relax and recharge. So of these ones you get 10. And then the rest is all note paper which says unplug today. And you get, how many do you get of these? You get 20 of these. And that's that paper. Okay, then on this side here, I'm going to go ahead and pull these items out. And I'm going to try to go quickly because my camera is running out of battery. All right, so we have a unplug and breathe bookmark. I wish it was foiled, but it's not. So you can, you know, put this in the book you're reading. Maybe you can decorate it with some more stickers in the back. That'd be kind of nice. And then we have some more plastic. This one I think would be too thin to hole punch for some sticky notes. So this one I am going to throw out. Okay, so then we have this. These are the stickers. You get 87 stickers in here. So you have some gold foiling going on. And I'll go slow so you can really see them, the detail. Okay. Then you have these unplug ones. These are full box. Some no computer time, no Wi-Fi time, go offline. Some disconnect headers. So schedule time to disconnect, be offline. We have some habit trackers there to unplug, at least for like half an hour to an hour a day, and just do something else, like take a bubble bath, read a book, take a bubble bath with a mimosa, you know. All right, and then we have vision boards. We have 2 vision boards. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Well, my camera has heated up a few times already and I've had to, you know, turn it off. So yeah, definitely will work again, which it is now. Oh, and then on the back, you have a relax and recharge, focus word, and goals. So that's what that looks like. And then we have a no Wi-Fi vision board. It's like you can cut out pictures in a magazine of something that looks really relaxing and put it on your vision board and like try to do that. And then this says nothing, but it's a vision board. And then you get page protectors. It says 2 of them, but there's only 1. And that is something I've seen on another video before. Do they mean 2 page protectors, like, you know, front and back? That's 2? Because to me, page protectors 2 means there's 2 individual page protectors. Happy Planner. Okay, so you owe us all a second page protector, in my eyes, and I think that in a lot of people's eyes, but that's fine. I'll take the page protector. You should, I think do they sell these on their own? Maybe. Have to double check. All right, so that is everything that came in the Digital Detox Planner Companion Kit. I really love these. I'm loving these kits. I have already filmed 2 other Planner Companion Kit videos. I'll go ahead and link them down below. So if you're interested in checking those out and see if that's a kit that you want to pick up, you're welcome to take a look at that video. I hope that you are enjoying these, that you enjoyed this video and are enjoying my videos. I want to thank you all for watching. You're welcome to subscribe to my channel, and if so, make sure to also hit that notifications bell so you are notified when I do upload to the channel. As of right now, I don't really have a specific schedule. I am uploading whenever I can, because now I have a baby to take care of and she has me on a whole different schedule. Nothing concrete. It's like whenever she wants, anytime she wants. So again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and you're welcome to keep up on all my social media channels. I'll go ahead and link them down below, and they'll be here on the screen as well. Thank you again for watching. I love you all so much, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys. Mwah.